Hey guys, video on ASP. Yeah, really weak. The 1-2 that we had here is invalid now, because not invalid, but we did hit the 886 taken from the low to the high, which lowers the probabilities a lot for this to be a wave 2. What I did now is a hopium wave 1 and a hopium wave 2. Why do I say hopium? Because this looks like a 3-wave move if you look at the whole structure. Okay, that's why I was leaning to a 1-to-1 to a 1-2-1-2 initially. Also, this stock, by the way, I think moves pretty similar if we look at the topping and this move here, this top, similar to the uranium stocks. I think on these the low is pretty close. With this one might be the same. Okay, that's why I'm also maybe still giving this a chance, even if it's a 3-wave move. Then I took these pink fips from this move to this move in potentially a WXY with then in the Y wave an ABC potentially, or ABC in itself. Then we want a 5-wave move in here. Could have been a 1-2, now a 3-4-5 to test the lower end here. But then we will also potentially put pressure on this low, which is not ideal. What I'm gonna do additionally here is take the fips like this and toggle these on. We have the 786 still at 466. Once we lose that, I think increased probabilities to take this low and then to test something else in here. We don't have anything, as you can see on the chart. There's your range starts here at 325 and we have the next flip at 245. So ideally we see strength here, and I think for the weekly, on the weekly chart, it would be nice to be able to close above the range here, above the point of control at 538. Okay, this one has moved down pretty significantly from these highs. 4-hour RSI now oversold. Doesn't mean that it has to bounce with it at the same moment it does get to the oversold territory, but I really hope we get it, especially then once again on the weekly. Would be nice to close above it, I think. Yeah, if not, if this moves lower, if we lose this, pressure will go on here and we'll probably take the lows. Then we'll add the target box once again taken from this A to the B wave to see if there are other targets for this wave C, and we'll take it from there. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.